Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 2 5G. Today I'll show you how to turn on or off screen lock sound. Let's go to settings firstly. Tap on sound and vibration, scroll down and tap on more sound and haptics. To manage this function, switch this button, lock screen sound. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.